In this video, we will show you how to extract text from image using Snipping Tool with the latest features. I am happy Microsoft updated the Snipping Tool to make the application can improve our productivity. In here, the Snipping Tool can directly open the image and then extract the text, and we can copy that text. And also, we can take the screenshot. After we take the screenshot, if the screenshot have the text, we can copy them from the image. In here, for example, let's open the Snipping Tool. For example, for the first method, we will take the screenshot from this file explorer. Okay, you can see there is many text here. We can take screenshot, for example, and we will take the screenshot for the entire window. You can see there. After that, to copy the text from the screenshot image, you can using text actions here. After you click text actions, you can see there the image become look like this, and you can copy any text you want to get from that. For example, I want to open WordPad, and this is I will paste the text that just now I copy. For example, I want to copy this text. Okay, I will enter. You can see there the text is copied with perfectly. Okay, also you can copy all the text here like this. You can see there all of the text on that window is copied perfectly in here. The number second, we can open directly the image. Okay, I will close this window and try to get the image from web browser. Let's download some image with text. Okay, in here let's open this image. Okay, I will right click and save image as PNG. I will put into desktop. Now we can close the browser and open again the Snipping Tool. In here, you can open the file PNG, JPG, or another extension for the image like this. You can see here. Then we can open the files. Okay, you can see there. Now click text actions again. Voila. Let's copy all of this. Okay, now let's open the WordPad to make sure the text is copied perfectly. Okay, I will put like this, and you can see here it was the best of times, it was the worst of time, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. Okay, the text even copy perfectly and no mistake here. And that's all tutorial how the Snipping Tool can extract the text from the image. Hope this video helpful for you.